COVID-19 caught the world off guard. Many countries in the world had to take diverse containment strategies to fight against rising number of cases, deaths, high case fatality rate, and the high infectivity rate due to COVID-19. Strategies from no containment, social distancing, movement restrictions, lockdown, and eventually a complete shutdown were effected. But there are numerous claims where individuals and groups were subjected to extra pressure, stress, and discomfort due to some of the measures adopted. This has amplified every aspect of inequality, especially among some of the groups. Who are they? Women, children, and socioeconomically underprivileged groups. The sheer existence of such issues demand a proper analysis of the policies. Therefore, it would be beneficial to formulate responses towards addressing not only the future progression of COVID-19, but also future pandemics or any other global crisis.
Through our study, we hope to see how COVID-19 impacted on identified diverse groups such as women, children, and underprivileged groups. And we hope to find how threat assessment, containment strategies, and socioeconomic impact can be emulated and analyzed through AI-informed strategies. Our research team consists of researchers from Sri Lanka as well as Malaysia. The University of Peradeniya and Institute of Policy Studies from Sri Lanka is collaborated with 3 universities in Malaysia, namely University of Tenaga Nasional, National University of Malaysia, and Management and Science University are leading this study.
So in this project, we try to assess the impact of the pandemic over 4 different time periods. Time before the coronavirus pandemic, the first wave, the second wave, then the third wave, which is we are currently experiencing. So primarily we will circulate a questionnaire survey which will involve about 3,000 households for data collection purposes. Then we will use artificial intelligence to analyze, assess and generate information based on the collected data from the aforementioned survey. So this data collection plus the AI framework will enable us in optimal decision making as well as planning, which will be a guide for the current pandemic as well as any other future pandemic. In addition to analyzing impact of the pandemic itself, we are trying to assess the containment strategies such as lockdown or the impact because of the lockdown. So here we try to simulate different scenarios and come up with the best combination of containment strategies, or at least the least worst combination of containment strategies, which will improve or expedite the containment of the infectious disease as well as improve or have the minimum interruption on living standards. So that is what we are doing in this AI4COVID project.
Overall, using AI, we help in understanding the epidemiological dynamics of the pandemic and its socioeconomic impact, thus providing valuable insights for devising optimal containment measures and policies.